What up, traders? Got a red day. So we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna take a trade on GEVO, and I took a trade down here because I like how the wicks was forming down here. It started consolidating here towards the low end of the range, and then we got some wicks. So that's high play for me. And I did pretty good, man. I did pretty good. I traded my first couple of stocks good, and then I'm gonna get on the stock called LLL. Yep, that's right, triple L's. I took a big ass loss on that damn stock. There's a lot of manipulation in that stock. So anyway, I jumped in there at 4.99. I'm in there a little early. I saw the greens come in there. I'm in there early. I should have let it dip just back a little bit further because it's gonna get down to like 4.94. Like not now, it'd been a good entry. 4.96. That 94 would have been the perfect entry. 4.94 was the perfect entry. But I'm in there at 4.99, and I was confident in this play. Like I really was. This stock is shortable. You see that it got the S up there, and I knew that shorts were chasing the lows. I knew shorts were trying to chase this, so I bought against that, and I'm just respecting a little. I'm gonna expect a little rip up. I'm gonna get the rip. Not a rip. It's gonna grind up, but it's gonna go up even further than where I get out at. But I just didn't like how this morning everything was just slow. Everything sold off this morning. The stocks I was looking at, everything was choppy. Yeah, I can't wait to show y'all L because it was that stock was to me was manipulated. So like that wick forming there. And I think I'm gonna just get off just a little bit. I think I get off at 506, something like that. I'm up $1. Oh yeah, and I also funded my C Meg account, my margin account, and I will be trading out of that account, not this account, probably sometime next week. I get my mind right for that. So I took it off here, got it at 4.99, took it off at 508. I'm up $2. Gotta get my mindset right for that. So here we go, wash out. Got a wash out long, jumping there at 8.29. I missed it. I missed that first bounce, but this is okay. I still caught it. Getting a nice little squeeze. And I held on to this because I like this position. It was a nice play. I bought around the VWAP area, and it's already started to show a little wick. So this is a good entry here. And it actually goes up a little further. I'm gonna take it off for whatever, a little bit of profit. And I also downsized on this stock too. I'm glad I did that. So I took it off right there. Got out 840. Ended up making only made $1 on that stock. Got it at 302. So here, bullshit ass triple L's, man. Though, so this is why I'm showing this. I want you guys to like look at this tape and look at the action on it. And it's manipulated, man. It's just manipulated. I already don't like how it's looking already. It's like the volume is 18 million. So this I didn't even check the float. None of that. I probably should have. I didn't check anything. I looked at the stock because the stock was going up in an uptrend, but this is not a good uptrend. Like this. Now I'm looking at the stock. I promise you guys, I didn't look at anything. I didn't even look at the pre-market. Nothing happened pre-market. They must have got some news or something or whatever happened, and it grinded up. This whole grind up here, to me, is a controlled grind movement. There are no red candles. Every body is small like this. Like this to me, this was a controlled moved up, manipulated. And then I'm gonna get in here at the top. Like, look at this low volume. It went up on. It was good volume, but it went up on low volume. Like this is. Look at that. And then we got this big volume bar here with the wick. So, and then I was FOMO into this trade too. I FOMO'd into this trade. Like I wouldn't have been so mad at the manipulation if there wasn't a lot of volume, but there was a lot of volume in this stock. So it was some bull crap. So I jumped in there at 588, and look at the tape slowing down. And it's just not going to go. It's not going to go up. See that? Look at that. I'm up. I was in at 588. Even though I'm up. I'm up. I could have took this off at 95, 99. I could have took it off. So I said, like, this loss is my fault. This loss is my fault. Like, I didn't take off when I was supposed to. That right there was the fat finger. I was trying to get out at 95, but the stock so whipsaw. Look at it going. It's going like from 10-cent spread to 20-cent spread, 11-cent spread. That's not my internet. None of that. It's just the stock was manipulated, man. So anyway, I jumped in there, 645. Like, I'm already down 20 cents. That this was a bad trade. This was a chase. I was chasing here. And I'm gonna get dumped on. I think I'm gonna add down here towards 6. Like, so I'm in at 609. And this is gonna be a loss. And I'm not gonna be able to stand the heat. And the stock actually reverses. No, actually, no. I'm sorry. I hold on to this stock, and I'm gonna get a nice little pop. I hold on to this. Like, I held on to this stock because I saw how whipsaw this stock was and the manipulation in this stock. They was trying to get people to short, trying to get people to buy. And my whole thinking of this stock was, like, if I can get on the right side of the manipulation and I can take advantage of that, and then I can get out. But I couldn't stand the heat, and I took it off right there. So I'm down $2.94 on the day. Like, I'm down $3. And it probably should have been done. Like, if I had my CMEG account, I got to be more disciplined in my CMEG account. In my CMEG account, one loss in my CMEG account, I'm going to be done. Like, I'm not even going to trade. Like, we're just not getting the red candles here. This is some bull crap, man. The spread shouldn't be that jumpy, that whipsaw like that. It's not like the stock has low volume. This 3-minute cane is doing 2 million shares. That's not low volume. Now, I guess it's low volume if this float is like freaking 150 million billion or something like that, then yeah, this is low volume. But the tape is moving fast. This is good volume here. It's just that I just couldn't get this one right, man. It was too whipsaw, man. It was too whipsaw. 10-cent spread. Then go down to 6-cent spread. Then go another 10-cent spread and a 15-cent. Look at that, 11-cent spread. I'm in at 612, man. Like, I should have left this stock alone. I'll never trade this stock ever again in my life. I'll never trade this stock again. Like, it's all in the name of the stock. Triple L's, LLL. You're gonna lose if you trade this stock. You're gonna lose. So here I added 5 more shares. I'm in at 15. I got 606 average, and then I'm gonna get a nice nice pop rip. But I get greedy. I don't know what the hell was wrong with me. I know it's wrong with me. I did revenge trade. This stock made me mad so bad. I wanted my money back out this stock. So I revenge traded, and it messed me up. It took me out. Can't get emotional with stocks, man. I was mad at this stock like it was a person. Like, stock don't care about your feelings, man. So I'm just holding. I'm in at 606, holding. Cause I felt like I was gonna get a pop here. It's not flushing down. The manipulation. I felt like on this stock I was on the good side of the manipulation, even though I'm down 20 cents. And I'm holding it like this because how whipside the stock is. Did you see that? I'm running back. Now look at the bids on level 2. It's gonna go up to $6 and then instantly reject it. That's manipulation I'm talking about. Like, that's manipulation, man. Look at that. Just instantly dropped 20 cents, man. Hidden seller. What is that? What is that? Look at that. It cannot hold above 6. It's finally trying to hold above 6. Look at that, man. And I can't even say this is now. This volume right here is low, but this is still 900,000 shares in this candle here. It's like, that's good volume. I'm looking at the 3-minute chart. I'm in at 606 and I'm holding it because it's so whipsaw. Big bid at $6. Saw that. It was 200 stacked there at 6. And I'm gonna get a nice little squeeze. And I should have been done with the stock. I should just took my loss on the stock and just be done with it. See? Look at that nice squeeze. Look at that. Like, it didn't even hold that. I got lucky and got out at 18. At 618. So I'm down $1.24 on the day. And that should have been done with this stock. I should let the stock alone. But the only why I'm trading this stock is because no other stocks was moving. This stock has volume, but the volume was manipulated. This stock was just manipulated. It was just a bad stock to trade. It's just a bad stock to trade. So now I'm just trying to wait for like a washout below 6. I don't get it. I try to get in. I got in before 6 because I didn't think it was going to get that low. Because look what it's doing. Like I'm waiting for the washout to get there. It never gets below 6. So I'm thinking, okay, it might hold up at 6 here and manipulate its way back up. You know what I mean? So I was up like a couple cents there, 5 cents there. And in hindsight now, I should have been quick with it. I should have been trying to hold for these trades, but I should have been quick with my trades. Like, should have been quick with it. That's all. Like, I could have took it off right there. Should have took it off 53 cents. 15. I was up 15 cents. I could have took it off. I was trying to get above 620. And it acts like it's going to do it. It never does. Look at the tape. Nothing but red coming through. That stock is not going to break out, man. Should have took this off, man. Like, I don't like when my P&L fluctuate like that in price. It's like 30 cents, 10 cents, 7 cent spread. So now stocks that does that, that's whipsaw like that and move like that, I'm just not gonna trade it. Just not gonna trade it. It's not predictable. It's unpredictable. It's unpredictable, man. Like I'm in at a good price, man. I'm not in at a real bad price. There it goes. It's dumping against me now. It's getting weak. Red tape. I was hoping that the shorts would get manipulated and short the stock and then squeeze them. But really, they was trapping longs. Like I'm trapped right now. Like I'm trapped. Should just took this loss. I'm only down $1.24. I could have took this loss and been down like $2. So bad trading on my end. I gotta take the loss, man. I'm down 20 cents. I gotta take the loss, man. I gotta take that loss. I gotta eat this loss. Like I don't know what I'm waiting on, man. It doesn't look good. I don't know what I'm waiting on. Triple L's. That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on a loss. I'm waiting on the L. Should cut this off. So the future, like I said, like when I get my CMEG account, I will be chilling out, man. Can't take no 30-cent losses because I'm gonna do a little differently in my CMEG account. I'm gonna fund it with 1,000, and it's gonna be different. I'm probably gonna be taking like maybe no more than 2 trades a day, like 3 trades max, out that margin account, till I build my account up. But I'll explain that more once I get funded and I open it up. So I just took it off right there. So I'm down $6.96 on the day. Thank you guys for watching Red Day Recap Money Games.